What makes the difference in a home? Have you asked yourself this question? Is it the people inside there that change? Hi guys, it's Forever Looney here, and today, it's like the previous video I've made. I'm talking about this video called Catch Me If You Can, because I find really a lot of reference for us to use. So today I will be speaking about spending your money smartly. Right, so we know that Frank William Abagnale is a con man, an imposter, somebody that is capable of forging all the bank checks and stuff like that. However, when he is actually on his bigger highs, when you are watching the movie itself, he was seen to have two big bags of suitcase that is filled with money, right? So he actually has all this kind of money. He's able to actually stay alive for a long period of time until the end of time, maybe, right? But he chose to spend everything, irrationally, right? He spent every single cent that he had, then he went back to forge all this money and stuff. What if back then he spent all this money smartly? Spending his day normally, having a normal $3 per meal, moving around, staying around his house. He literally have nothing to worry about. But however, because he was so rich and he had nobody to call, and he became so empty, so he decided to keep doing whatever that he's doing. At least somebody is entertaining him, somebody is coming to him to catch him and stuff like that. Somebody's there to talk to him, because after whatever he has, his parents, his dad suddenly passed away when he's released from the jail, when he's going back to America, and then his mom is actually remarried, right? So he literally have nobody to actually talk to other than the wife that he has, which is called Brenna, and then also the FBI that is chasing him, which is Carl Hanratty, right? So when we have a lot of money, how are you gonna spend it? Are we gonna spend it like, oh, I'm gonna buy this luxurious watch, I'm gonna buy this luxurious car, I'm gonna buy this luxurious home? I mean, does it make a difference when you are staying in a home? What makes the difference in a home? Have you asked yourself this question? Is it the people inside there that change the whole home into home? Or is it that money you spend changing whatever texture that I have, making my toilet bowl gold, having golden toilet paper, stuff like that? I don't know. But how do you define a home? Home is something that is, the bigger the better. I need to have a 3-story, 5-story, 10-story, maybe a whole building, maybe a hotel called my home. Or do I need a 3-bedroom place where I'm able to actually spend time with the people that I love, to speak to them, talk about the daily life, talk about our daily struggle, be able to relate to them, be able to encourage each other every morning we wake up and stuff like that. What is home for you? Have you ever asked yourself? So a lot of people, they feel like we need to make a dozen ton of money. That was me. I went there, I stayed a long period of time, I forgo everything that I had now, and then I go and work for it. At the end of the journey, when I saw my friend left just like that, being able to stay in the central of Singapore, being able to buy sports car, being able to buy a lot of different things in his life, but when he made a mistake and he left, that triggers a thinking in me. If this is everything for me, then what is happening to my social life? I don't have any social life. When I was going through this period of my time, I literally asked myself, what is the end goal that I want to achieve? There was this friend that told me, like, you got this X amount of money, X this, X that. I don't know what is he referring to, but the only answer that I gave him is, you will never get the money that you want, because you will never be able to achieve that unless you are having passive income that is bringing you every month money, or you are having an asset that is unwavering, is increasing every time. Then you are able to actually reach that kind of X amount of money that you want. If there is this depreciation, inflation, income tax, other tax, how are you gonna get financial freedom? Because taxes increases, we all know that. It's through history that we see all the chart. It's gonna increase every how many different years, what kind of things triggers the increase and stuff like that. So we all know that you will not be able to achieve that kind of X amount of money. Even when you go for medicals and stuff like that, when you have illnesses, when you have other things, you need to do checks and stuff like that, we know that it will never be enough. There will never be financial freedom. As long as you are willing to work, as long as you are willing to work hard, you are able to go out there to find things, you will always have a financial status. You will never be financial restrained. You will never be financial free. Because from the start, there is no such thing as this. People have to understand that if money is everything to you, then that is something that is wrong. Because it doesn't affect people. It doesn't apply that, hey, you have to do this kind of thing. You have to be rich in order to be happy. There's no this kind of thing. They never say that. There's a guideline, there's a rule that says that you have to be rich in order to be living your life to the fullest. You can be poor at the same time living your life to the fullest. Some people, they say that I want to be on the beach every single day. I want to have a family. I want to have a family by the beach, you know. And then they tell people that we have to make this X amount of money. We have to make 9 figures, 10 figures, 11 figures. And then when they go down there and talk to the people in Fiji, they say that, why would I want all these things? I'm already at the beach every day. I am working and I love this place, right? I mean, you got to really ask yourself, at the end of the day, what is the goal that you want? When you are spending money, you could easily offer, you know, you could easily just eat up to the amount that you're eating now, which is $3 a meal, $5 a meal. But when you become rich, when you have this kind of money, you tell yourself, I want to be, you know, having this kind of things. I want to be eating more. I want to be eating more expensive food and stuff like that. Is it better? Does expensive food become better? Is it more, I don't know, is it more tasteful or is it more flavorful? What is the difference between you eating in a restaurant and you eating in a hawker center or a coffee shop or whatever shop that you guys want to call it, right? You don't see the difference. It's just different people that, you know, dress up differently to go there. It's just like you telling yourself, what is the difference between teacher and a professor? A professor is a person who have a doctorate. A teacher is just an educator that has a an education certified, stuff like that. But what is the difference? The difference is between their character, right? Who is able to convey to us, who is able to convey the message to us in the long run, who is able to bring us up, who is able to educate us, right? These are what we need from educators. Do we say that, oh, professors are much more better? No, they just studied more and they are able to actually bring people to a new set of knowledge. Pretty much that's all. But if today I don't even attend primary school, I don't even attend the starter school, how am I able to actually study to all this professor itself? I have to go through teachers in order to go to professor, right? So these things are all defined by people. All these things are defined by people. Price is done by people. This is how we do marketing itself. We can sell the exact same thing, like for example this lighter, I can sell the exact same thing for $15 and people will come and buy from me. It's just like a wallet. I buy a branded wallet and I buy a non-branded wallet. What is the difference? Quality? Maybe? But what is the biggest difference? A biggest difference is just it is branded and this is not branded. But however, it's all up to people's choice, because some people, you know, when they feel like we have that kind of social status, they are able to buy things like that, they are able to buy branded, just go ahead. It's just how you want to spend your money smartly, right? So, my name is Forever Looney. There is no right or wrong way to spend your money. This is yours. I just want to let you guys know that you guys are not financial restricted. You guys are not financial chained, right? You can spend whatever that you want as long as you do your financial management properly. Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, you know, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, you know, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.